Can we power the whole world with just sunlight? It's a question that has intrigued scientists and environmentalists for decades. Imagine a world where our energy needs are met by the sun alone. It's a big question, but the answer might surprise you. The potential of solar energy is immense, and we're only beginning to scratch the surface of what it can do. The sun sends a tremendous amount of energy our way. In fact, the energy that hits the Earth in just 1 hour could power the entire world for a year. Every single day, Earth receives enough solar power to meet our global energy needs many times over. This energy is clean, abundant, and free for the taking. It's clean, it's renewable, and it's practically limitless. Unlike fossil fuels, solar energy doesn't pollute the air or contribute to climate change. So how do we capture this amazing power source? The answer lies in technology that has been evolving rapidly over the past few decades. That's where solar panels come in. These devices are designed to convert sunlight directly into electricity. Solar panels are like high-tech sunbathers, soaking up sunlight and turning it into usable energy. Over the years, they've become more efficient and affordable. They're popping up everywhere, from rooftops to fields, and they're only getting better and more efficient. Innovations in solar technology are making it easier for everyone to harness the power of the sun. But can they really handle all our energy needs? The potential is there, but it requires a global effort to fully realize it. Let's dive in and find out. Join us as we explore the incredible potential of solar energy and how it could transform our world. Solar panels are made up of lots of individual cells, usually made from silicon. These cells are the building blocks of the panel and are crucial for converting sunlight into electricity. Silicon is a fantastic material for this job because it's a semiconductor. This means it has properties that allow it to conduct electricity under certain conditions, making it perfect for solar energy conversion. That means it can conduct electricity under certain conditions. When silicon is exposed to sunlight, it can generate an electric current, which is the basis of how solar panels work. Here's how it works. When sunlight hits a solar cell, the light particles, called photons, knock electrons loose in the silicon. This process is known as the photovoltaic effect. These electrons then flow through the material, creating an electrical current. This current is captured by the solar panel and can be used to power electrical devices. It's like a tiny sun-powered battery. Each solar cell generates a small amount of electricity, but when combined, they can produce significant power. By connecting many solar cells together, we can generate enough electricity to power homes, businesses, and even entire cities. This makes solar energy a sustainable and renewable source of power for our future. Solar power sounds pretty amazing, right? And it is. Harnessing the energy of the sun to power our homes and cities is a fantastic idea, but there are still some challenges we need to overcome before we can rely on it entirely. These challenges range from technological to environmental and even economic. One big one is storage. Storing solar energy efficiently is crucial for a consistent power supply. The sun doesn't shine all the time, so we need efficient ways to store excess energy for when it's cloudy or nighttime. This means developing advanced battery technologies and other storage solutions. We also need to make solar panels even better at converting sunlight into electricity. Innovations in materials and design are key to improving efficiency. Right now, most solar panels are only about 15 to 20% efficient, which means a lot of that precious sunlight is going to waste. By investing in research and development, we can push these numbers higher and make solar power a more viable option for everyone. Despite the challenges, the future of solar energy is incredibly bright. Scientists and engineers are constantly working on new technologies to make solar panels more efficient, affordable, and durable. We're also finding innovative ways to harness solar energy, like building floating solar farms on lakes and reservoirs. With continued research and investment, solar power has the potential to revolutionize the way we power our world, creating a cleaner, more sustainable future for everyone.